Alright, I'm going to go on YouTube and find a video that I really want to watch. Wait a minute, what is this? Oh my god, Austine has his own YouTube channel. He only has 2.69k subscribers and 1 videos. This is so ridiculous and there is no way I'm subscribing to his channel. What am I going to do? Oh, I just had an idea that I never done before. I will find a way to Austine's channel and he will never make videos anymore. Ha 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 ha.
I'm so glad that I only reached 2.69k subscribers, and the good thing is that I am almost reached 2.70k subscribers. I think I should make another video and make good content so that I could get more subscribers. What? My channel has been hacked by someone? Who hacked my channel? Dodo Bird hacked my YouTube channel and he stole my channel. Now I cannot make any videos anymore. Dad, come over here please.
What is it, champ?
When I was about to make another YouTube channel, I just found out that I've been hacked by a user named Dodo Bird. He hacked my channel and stole my channel so that I could not make any more videos.
Really? Let me see. He hacked your channel? Oh my god. Dodo Bird is going to be so grounded now.
Yes, I finally had Justin's YouTube channel. He will never make any videos again.
Dodo Bird, get over here right now.
What is it, Dad?
My son told me that you hacked his channel and he cannot make any more videos. Is this true?
Yes, Dad. I hacked Austin's YouTube channel.
Oh. Dodo Bird. I cannot believe you hacked my son's YouTube channel. Now he cannot make any more videos. That's it. You are grounded for 11 days. Go to your room right now and think about what you did.
Yes, Dad. Sorry, Dad.
Man, I cannot believe that my channel has been hacked by Dodo Bird.
It's okay, Austine. We will find a way to get your channel back and Dodo Bird will never hack your channel again so that you could make more videos.
Yes, that's a really good idea, Dad. Let's go get my YouTube channel back so that I could make more videos and get more subscribers. And before we end this video, I would like to say this is an important lesson to all. Do not hack someone else's channel. Because hacking someone's YouTube channel is really bad. That's all would like to say. This is me.
And this is Austine's dad. Over and out.